With truck prices climbing higher every day, truck buyers are desperate for more affordable alternatives, and this time, they won't get another unibody compromise. The brand new Tasman is readying for the US market with the plan to win hearts with its honest approach that includes both reasonable pricing and strong capabilities. Kia CEO releases a new $25,000 midsize pickup truck and wows everyone. Let's check it out. Design. Not a Santa Cruz sibling, but a genuine pickup. Let's be perfectly clear about one thing. This is not just a Hyundai Santa Cruz with a Kia badge. The Tasman is a completely different animal, built on a proper body-on-frame platform with a solid rear axle, the hallmarks of a true pickup truck. While Hyundai went the crossover route with the Santa Cruz, Kia decided to build something that would appeal to traditional truck buyers who want genuine capability without the inflated price tag. The Tasman's design is undeniably bold and unlike anything else on American roads today. The front end is dominated by a wide, almost reptilian-like face with a black grille featuring horizontal slots that give it a powerful stance. What really sets it apart are those unique headlights integrated into the fender flares, creating a look that's instantly recognizable. Whether you love it or hate it, you certainly won't mistake it for anything else on the road. In terms of size, the Tasman slots perfectly into the mid-size segment. It's about 10 inches longer than the Hyundai Santa Cruz, but still 5 inches shorter than the Jeep Gladiator, giving it manageable dimensions while maintaining proper truck proportions. The bed is appropriately sized for weekend adventures and work tasks, and Kia has implemented some clever storage solutions throughout the vehicle. The X-Pro off-road trim level adds distinctive body cladding, more aggressive fender flares, and recovery points integrated into the front bumper. Riding on 17-inch wheels with meaty 265/70 R17 off-road tires, the X-Pro has the stance and presence of a serious off-roader. For those who prefer a more subdued look, other trim levels offer body-colored fender flares that give the truck a more cohesive appearance. The Tasman's silhouette maintains traditional pickup proportions with the right balance between cabin space and cargo capacity. The roof features integrated rails for mounting accessories like roof racks or rooftop tents, making it ready for adventure straight from the factory. LED lighting is used throughout with signature patterns that make the Tasman recognizable even at night. Interior design. You'll be shocked by how upscale the interior feels. This is miles ahead of what you'd expect from a truck with a $25,000 starting price. The X-Pro trim comes with quilted leather seating surfaces with contrasting white stitching that wouldn't look out of place in a luxury vehicle. The seats are remarkably comfortable and offer power adjustment, making it easy to find your perfect driving position. Perhaps the most distinctive interior feature is the squared-off steering wheel, which gives the cabin a uniquely modern feel. Behind it sits a pair of 12.3-inch screens, one for the digital instrument cluster and one for the infotainment system, giving the Tasman a high-tech vibe that's becoming a signature across Kia's lineup. The dashboard design shows influences from other Kia and Hyundai products, but with a more rugged touch. Perforated panels span across the center vents, and you'll find physical buttons and knobs for commonly used functions. A practical touch for a vehicle that might be used with gloves or dirty hands. The climate controls utilize toggle switches for easy operation, and there are even dual wireless charging pads in the center console. The center console features a unique sliding tray system that can convert into a workstation when the truck is parked, perfect for those who use their truck as a mobile office. Rear passengers haven't been forgotten either, with surprising amounts of legroom for a mid-sized truck and seatbacks that can recline for added comfort. The material quality throughout the cabin is impressive, with soft-touch surfaces in the areas you interact with most and durable, easy-to-clean materials in high-wear zones. The attention to detail is evident in elements like the contrast stitching, the tactile feel of the controls, and the damped action of storage compartments. Even base models get a level of interior refinement that outclasses competitors, costing thousands more. Features. Tech-wise, the Tasman is thoroughly modern with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard. The infotainment system is intuitive to use with quick responses, and the addition of physical shortcut buttons makes navigating through menus a breeze. One of the most impressive features is the fingerprint scanner that enables user profiles. This allows different drivers to instantly recall their preferred settings for everything from seat position to radio presets with just a finger tap. Practicality hasn't been overlooked with clever storage solutions throughout the cabin. There's a trunk integrated into the bedside wall fender flares, providing secure storage for smaller items. The tailgate is damped for smooth opening and features integrated steps to make bed access easier. The bed itself comes with tie-down points and available AC power outlets, making the Tasman ready for work or recreation right out of the box. The Tasman also comes equipped with an impressive array of driver assistance features, including forward collision avoidance, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross traffic alert. Higher trim levels add even more advanced systems like adaptive cruise control and a surround view camera system that's particularly useful when maneuvering in tight off-road trails or parking in crowded areas. Powertrain. For now, this truck is offered in Australia, where Kia offers two compelling engine choices for the Tasman. The headline powertrain for most American buyers will be the 2.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder, producing a competitive 225 horsepower and 311 pound-feet of torque. These numbers put it right in the mix with rivals like the Ford Ranger, Toyota Tacoma, and Nissan Frontier. The transmission options are where the Tasman really stands out in the segment. Not only is there a smooth shifting automatic with paddle shifters, but Kia will also offer a 6-speed manual transmission, a rarity in today's truck market and something that enthusiasts will certainly appreciate. The Tasman comes equipped with a proper four-wheel drive system with a real transfer case, not the all-wheel drive setup found in crossovers. A rotary selector allows drivers to choose between two H, 4H, 4A automatic, and 4L modes depending on conditions. The X Pro trim takes capability even further with locking rear and center differentials, giving it serious off-road credentials that match or exceed what you'll find in competitors costing thousands more. The suspension setup is specifically tuned for truck duties, balancing on-road comfort with off-road capability and load carrying capacity. The front employs an independent setup for better road manners, while the rear solid axle with leaf springs provides the durability and load capacity that truck buyers expect. Towing and hauling. Where many crossover-based trucks fall short is in towing capacity, but the Tasman delivers impressive numbers that reinforce its true truck credentials. With the ability to tow up to 7,700 pounds when properly equipped, the Tasman is on par with the most capable mid-size pickup trucks in North America. Payload capacity is even more impressive at around 2,300 pounds, significantly higher than many competitors in the segment. This robust capability comes from the Tasman's body-on-frame construction and solid rear axle, proving that Kia didn't cut corners when engineering this truck. The bed features a standard composite liner for durability and an integrated sliding cargo tray that makes accessing items easier without having to climb into the bed. There are also rail systems for mounting accessories and configuring the space to accommodate different cargo needs. These thoughtful touches show that Kia understands what truck owners want and need from their vehicles. The Tasman also comes with trailer sway control as standard, which works with the stability control system to detect and minimize trailer sway before it becomes dangerous. When combined with the available integrated trailer brake controller, it makes towing safer and more confidence-inspiring for drivers of all experience levels. Off-road performance. The Tasman X Pro is built for serious off-road adventures with increased ground clearance, off-road tuned suspension, and protective skid plates underneath. The previously mentioned locking differentials and low-range transfer case give it the technical capability to tackle challenging terrain. Recovery points integrated into the front bumper make extraction easy if you get stuck, and the approach and departure angles are optimized for off-road use. The X Pro rides on all-terrain tires that provide good grip in mud, sand, and rocks while remaining reasonably quiet on pavement. What makes the Tasman truly special off-road is how composed it feels over rough terrain. The suspension tuning absorbs impacts without unsettling the truck, and the steering remains precise even when navigating obstacles. The integrated brake controller is a thoughtful addition, making it easy to control trailer brakes when towing in challenging conditions. Release date and price. The big news is that the Tasman is on its way to the US market at a starting price around $25,000. This undercuts nearly every competitor in the segment by thousands of dollars and puts genuine truck capability within reach of more buyers. The Tasman is about to arrive in US dealerships next year, giving American truck shoppers a compelling new option in the mid-size segment. With its combination of distinctive styling, premium features, genuine capability, and aggressive pricing, the Kia Tasman is positioned to shake up the pickup truck market in a big way. But settling ground on US shores won't be easy, because the competition is bringing updates as well. Check out this video about the upcoming 2026 Honda Ridgeline, which you can now see on the screen. It's getting a full redesign with plenty of reasons to wait for the new model to come. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.